Today's video is on the top 3 best telescoping fishing rods. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Hotoby Telescopic Fishing Rod Kit. Are you ready to dive into fishing but not sure where to start? This fishing pole combo set might just be what you need. With everything included to get you started, it's perfect for beginners. Let's break down what makes this set stand out. Let's start with the fishing rod and reel, the core of the set. The rod is made of carbon fiber, a material known for its strength and elasticity, something that traditional materials like FRP can't match. Carbon fiber is lightweight but incredibly tough, so you won't have to worry about the rod breaking when you're out on the water. This gives you the confidence to fish in different conditions without feeling weighed down by your gear. The reel included is a 3,000 spinning reel that runs smoothly, ensuring that you have no trouble casting and reeling in your catch. The handle of the reel is designed to fold with just one touch, which makes it compact and easy to store. Additionally, you can switch the handle from left to right-handed use with ease by simply removing a screw, making it a versatile option for any angler. But that's not all. This set comes with a lot of useful attachments that make your fishing experience even better. It includes fishing pliers for tasks like splitting rings, removing hooks, stripping wire, crimping lines, and cutting wires. The fish lip gripper has a strong grip to help you control big catches with just 2 fingers. Plus, the tackle box comes stocked with essential lures and hooks, so you're all set. To top it off, the carrier bag ensures your gear stays protected from scratches, while being easy to carry and store. One of the best features is how compact and convenient this combo set is. When closed, the rod is only 13 3/4 inches long, making it easy to store in your car, bag, or even take on a trip. Weighing just 13 1/10 ounces, with the rod at 5 3/10 ounces and the reel at 7 8/10 ounces, this fishing set won't weigh you down. It's perfect for anyone, even kids or women, and is a breeze to use wherever you go. And don't worry if you're a beginner. The set is designed for ease of use, so you can start fishing with confidence, whether you're casting from the shore, fishing in a lake, or even on a boat. It also makes for an excellent gift for Father's Day, Children's Day, or any special occasion for the anglers in your life. So, are you ready to cast your line and reel in your next big catch? With this fishing pole combo set, you'll have everything you need to get started and make your fishing adventures a success. Smash that subscribe button like you would with your rod after losing a trophy fish. Number 2, best overall, Sougayilang Fishing Rod. Ready to take your fishing experience to new heights? This fishing rod and reel combo is exactly what you need to enjoy a smooth and successful day out on the water. Designed with both beginners and seasoned anglers in mind, this complete set has everything you need to get started. Inside the package, you'll find 1 carbon fiber telescopic fishing rod, 1 high-quality fishing reel, 1 convenient carrier bag for easy transport, 3 fishing lures to help you attract your catch, a durable fishing line, and several essential accessories to ensure you're fully equipped for your fishing adventure. It's all there, so you don't have to worry about missing any of the basics. Let's talk about the rod first. Crafted with high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass, this fishing pole is built tough, yet lightweight. It's designed to be durable, offering you a sturdy tool that's ready to handle any challenge you throw at it. The guide ring is made from SIC ceramic, which improves heat dissipation and lowers friction, ensuring that the rod stays in top condition. Plus, it's designed with an international advanced epoxy resin adhesive that makes the guide ring extra solid for maximum durability. Now, onto the reel. This reel features 13+1 corrosion-resistant ball bearings, giving you a smooth, friction-free performance that you'll love. The gears are precision matched, and it boasts a powerful 5.5:1 gear ratio, delivering ultra-smooth operation. The CNC machined aluminum handle is interchangeable, meaning you can use it with either your right or left hand. An extra aluminum spool adds even more versatility, and the aerospace-grade aluminum honeycomb design spool offers strength and is lightweight, giving you an edge on the water. The EVA knob provides a non-slip, comfortable grip even during those long fishing sessions. One of the biggest perks of this combo is how lightweight and portable it is. It's designed with the active angler in mind, making it easy to bring along on any adventure. Whether you're loading it up into your car trunk, stashing it in your boat, or slipping it into your backpack for a hike to your favorite fishing spot, this combo is ready to go wherever you want to fish. It's compact and simple to transport, so you can take it along no matter where your fishing journey leads. And don't worry, this fishing combo comes with a 1-year worry-free service. If you encounter any issues, just reach out to customer service, and they'll be happy to help you get everything sorted out. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days free. Link below. Number 1, our pick, Plusinno Fishing Rod. Looking for the perfect fishing kit to kickstart your adventures? The Plusinno Fishing Rod Kit is all you need. This complete set includes 2 collapsible fishing rods, 2 spinning reels, a convenient carrier bag, and a variety of fishing accessories like lures and hooks. It's designed with fishing beginners and spontaneous anglers in mind, offering everything you need to start fishing right away, anytime, anywhere. The kit also offers flexibility, with rods available in 4 sizes, ranging from 1.8 meters, 5.91 feet, to 2.7 meters, 8.86 feet, so you can choose the perfect fit for your needs. When it comes to performance, the Plusinno fishing poles are a game changer. Lightweight and sensitive, these rods deliver outstanding value for anglers of all levels. Crafted from a high-density carbon fiber and fiberglass blend, the rods offer impressive durability and elasticity, making them resistant to wear and tear. The ceramic guide ring enhances performance with its lightness and ability to dissipate heat, ensuring a smooth fishing experience. Plus, the telescoping design allows for easy portability, making it simple to take your rod wherever your fishing adventures lead you. With a medium action, it's versatile enough for a variety of fishing styles. Portability is a key feature of this fishing kit. The telescopic, retractable fishing rod is lightweight and compact, fitting easily into the included carrying bag. Whether you're storing it in your car trunk, a boat, or a backpack, you'll appreciate how easy it is to take with you. The Plusinno spinning reel is designed for smooth operation and ease of use. Featuring 12+1 shielded bearings, it prevents reverse rotation and ensures a fluid fishing experience. The reel is equipped with a power drive gear and a high-strength aluminum spool that can hold plenty of lines. The foldable handle is interchangeable for both right and left-hand use, and its EVA grip provides comfort and excellent balance. With a gear ratio of 5.2:1, this reel offers the perfect mix of speed and strength for all your fishing needs. Looking for a thoughtful gift for a fishing enthusiast or a beginner? The Plusinno fishing rod and reel combo make a fantastic present for any angler. It's ideal for bass, trout, panfish, walleye, and catfish. Whether you're fishing in freshwater or along the shore, perfect for Father's Day or any occasion, this kit is a great way to show someone you care while setting them up for their next great fishing adventure. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research, so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.